Mom, I think something is wrong. Mom, it's getting bigger! Jack, get back!
This morning started like any other day.
Good morning, Jack. Mom, I can't find my charger. Check near the sofa.
Found it!
Be careful, that wire looks old.
It's fine, Mom.
Breakfast is ready.
What's for breakfast?
Eggs and toast. Why is it loose?
It's okay. It's working.
Do you smell something burning?
I think so. Mom, the plug is smoking!
Step back!
The curtain is on fire! What do we do?
Stay calm.
Get out now! My phone! Leave it! Run!
Help! There's a fire! I'm calling for help! Is everyone out?
Yes, we're safe.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's not your fault.
Fire is under control.
Are you okay?
Yes, we're safe. I was really scared. Me too, but we stayed together.
If there is a fire, get out immediately. Do not touch electrical fire. Call for help.